I feel my daughter is building a strong foundation for learning and really gaining a deeper understanding. If your child is missing out on preschool or attending a preschool online, then you really have to try Flintoclass at home, and I'll tell you why. So with preschools and kindergartens turning completely online, my daughter has also started attending her online classes at her preschool. However, Kunal and I have constantly questioned how effective her education really would be. Does online education really replace the hands-on sensory experiences of a preschool? And how will she adapt when she steps into a real school? Will her literacy, her numeracy skills be adequately developed to handle the next academic year? These are things we're constantly questioning, and that's when we came across Flintoclass at Home, which is an amazing home-based preschool program with all the materials needed for the learning shipped to your doorstep, which is really such a relief for parents because there's little to no preparation time needed at our end at all. And they also hold 1 hour of virtual guidance sessions 3 times a week. And because it's digitally minimal, we not only find that it's a healthy option, but it's also a very engaging one. And I have to tell you that the concepts are so good and they're taught using real life examples. I feel my daughter is building a strong foundation for learning and really gaining a deeper understanding. And the best part is that she's completely engaged and she really enjoys this type of learning. And honestly, it's become a fun bonding time for both me and for her and for Kunal. So I have to recommend Flintoclass to all parents looking for the right early learning program for their children.